Welcome back to our garden series where we explore different plant varieties and their unique qualities. Today we're going to be talking about the Daylily Island Bombfire. The Daylily Island Bombfire is a perennial plant that was first introduced in the late 1980s. It is native to East Asia, including China, Japan, and Korea. This plant is known for its stunning, bright red blooms that appear during the summer. The Daylily Island Bombfire is a clump-forming plant that produces large grass-like leaves that can grow up to 2 feet in length. The plant can reach a height of 2 to 3 feet, and each stem produces several flower buds. The flowers are trumpet-shaped with bright red petals that are slightly ruffled at the edges. The blooms can measure up to 5 inches in diameter and have a yellow center. The plant has a moderately fast growth rate and is considered low maintenance. The Daylily Island Bonfire is a hardy plant that can grow in a variety of conditions. It thrives in full sun to partial shade and prefers well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. The plant can tolerate a range of soil types including clay, loam, and sandy soils. It is drought tolerant and can withstand periods of dry weather. The plant is cold hardy and can survive to temperatures as low as -30 degrees Fahrenheit. It can be planted with other perennials such as coneflowers, black-eyed Susans, and phlox. It also pairs well with ornamental grasses and shrubs like boxwood and juniper. The Daylily Island Bonfire is a popular plant for use in landscaping and gardening. It can be used as a border plant or as a mass planting in garden beds. It also is a great choice for adding color and texture to mixed perennial gardens. The bright red flowers make it a perfect addition to summer bouquets and flower arrangements. The Daylily Island Bombfire is a great choice for attracting pollinators like bees and butterflies to your garden. In addition, the plant is edible, and the flowers can be used to add color and flavor to salads or as a garnish. However, caution should be taken as the plant is toxic to cats. And that's it for today's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and information. Thanks for watching.